small needle here. I'm gonna go a little deeper.
Pilates ain't no joke. I eat black people, start doing Pilates. If you ain't doing it now, do it. Go, run, do Pilates.
There's nothing you can do to convince me that God did not take an extra day creating me. I mean, look at me.
I want to take you to Pilates with me. So I go get Pilates and dry needling done. So I'm going to take you guys with me to experience that. I really believe in mind, body, spirit, and that we need to keep all of those three aligned. 333. Just so you know. And so I've been undergoing a lot of stress lately. So today I will show you how I relieve a lot of my stress. I have a really chronic back pain from I used to be in the military, and neck pain. So I have a lot of stiffness, and sometimes I can't even do anything for days. So I'm gonna take you guys to Pilates and dry needling. We made it to our appointment.
Hormonal balance, energy balance.
Okay.
So get a needle here, and then let me go.
I see what she mean at first when you get in there if it's tight.
Head up. I'm gonna do a small needle here. I'm gonna go a little deeper. So that's the spot. All the tension come up, accumulate right there. I'm gonna get a little deeper. You feel achy, beautiful. Okay. And all those muscles feeling better, and even down here, not as tight as before. It used to be like a super like beef jerky-ish, right?
Oh, I know.
Take a deep breath, sit up tall. Beautiful, there we go. Get a little deeper. Yes, beautiful, nice. Right in that knot. Okay.
You're pretty good at knowing where stuff is hurting.
A lot of times inflammation or stress accumulate. Just right there. Get a needle in there. Get up. Beautiful. Get a little deeper. And same thing. It's not in the muscle. It's just beautiful. Okay.
More needles the better. I love the needles.
That's what
If you haven't noticed yet.
That's what I want to hear.
I'm all like, put another needle there. I don't know why I'm always afraid to get down.
Oh yeah.
We always do
With
this.
needles, yeah. Take your time. So, push your legs straight. Take a deep breath. Yeah, soreness, achiness. That's what we're looking for. That's 20. Alright, now we're gonna have you do single leg, same position. Push it straight.
This one is hurting.
That.
That needle. Well, when I do the exercise, it's like a sharp pain. We have to learn to give ourselves breaks. I'm learning that. It's okay. If you're not don't want to do something today, take a break.
Yeah, just don't do it. Yeah.
I had to really teach myself that. I always thought I had to be doing something to like be productive.
Acknowledge our feeling. Acknowledge our needs.
Yes.
That's the first step of self-care.
I know, and I love it.
Yeah.
I think it's easy, but people don't know that it's okay. Like, I feel this way today, and I'm okay with that. I just sit with it for a little bit.
Of your bottom. You're gonna do a bridge, right? That's all the muscles you can see your belly, and also all the muscles your paraspinals. From there, you're gonna push your legs straight. Beautiful. Get butt off the carriage. Nice.
Oh, this
Get
is
back
hard.
down. Good, and a little higher maybe. Good job. We'll do 10 of those.
That was 10.
Nice. Take a breather. We're gonna do another set of 10.
Look at me. Oh, I'm done. No, you're not. Okay.
No, it can't be that easy.
That was like, that's a workout. Alright, cool. I got this.
But then the old me is always like, oh, you know, it's just a little thing. I can do it. I need to do it. But now I'm like, no, I need to take care of myself.
It's
Get
always
good rest.
exactly. It's always us fighting the old version of ourselves, and it's a battle within itself. Because especially if you're used to people pleasing, I had to learn like, no, it's okay to say no to people. Like, no, not today.
Totally.
I'm not doing that.
I'm still learning that. I'm still learning that. And I'm learning to feel all my emotions.
Yeah.
Acknowledge all my emotions. And if I'm not happy, I just, you know, I can be not happy. That's okay. If I'm encouraged, so straight up and feet off the bar. There we go. Arms straight, palm up. More like facing you. Nice. And down. That's
Like this.
that's a lot. That's 40 pounds. Yeah.
That was good.
Was it good?
Yeah, I mean, it's a
Now you're gonna keep your elbow on the courage. Push it down. There you go. Yeah. Arm facing you. There we go. Yeah, you want to triceps, biceps. When you do that, you're gonna extend your legs. So push it down, legs straight. Beautiful. That's all core.
okay. My core is weak. Hold on, my core.
Oh yeah, we're gonna help you get 6 packs.
It's so weak.
Extend your legs.
I don't know if I can do the extension part.
Well,
My low
why don't
back.
we do a bicycle?
Okay.
Nice. So let's do arms straight to your side. From there, you're gonna push down, like pull down. And rest.
Ooh, that needle.
Lean back.
Yeah.
Nice.
Is it supposed
I'm
to?
like, yes. You're feeling it? Yes.
I was feeling on at the last exercise.
Your shoulders, yes.
Why is this one hurting?
Which one? This one there. That's your hair. Is that because your hair? Why don't we
Oh
do
no,
this?
that's the needle. Oh, I
Yeah,
can feel
which
it
is-
over here.
You feel there? That's normal. That's actually what we're looking for.
It's like I feel it over here, like.
Yeah. Landing perfect. Soft landing. Nice. Single leg, the other one back. Same
Jump.
thing. Yeah. Just a little deeper.
Oh my god,
You can do this. I promise this is the last one. Actually, this one more after this one.
I just don't want it to hurt.
Go.
Hold on, I gotta see.
You know it. Nice.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. I just had to feel the needle.
Yeah. You can
Okay,
do it.
so
Nice. Oh, beautiful.
you hear my knees cracking?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what's going on. I think crack.
So afterwards, you feel better. A lot of time the cracking is because we're untangling the fascia, the connective tissue.
Really?
Yeah. Especially with the needle end. That's why a lot of time, like especially when we're treating neck, right? Little cryptus, a little popping, cracking. Afterwards, oh, feels so much lighter.
Okay.
Yep, you're gonna hold on to the board, stand up,
Stretch.
down, all the way straight. Push your leg all the way straight. Beautiful, yeah. Stretch shoulders, stretch your whole back. Nice, get it down.
Good stretch.
Right? Most
You
of the time
could
we
do more
won't
weight.
be able to. That's what I
Good stretch here.
Most of the time we won't be able to get into that
Elevate.
Oh, feel that whole hip, that hip flexor, so tight, even shoulders and your back. Shoulder press. Perfect. And go slow, just like that. This is so nice.
I think we are done for today. Look at the view. See the view? It's a storm coming. We have a tropical storm here in Florida coming. The view. I am sweating a little bit. I got these needles still in me. See if you can see them. I don't know if you guys can see the needles. But she's gonna take them out. The one in my knee is really hurting. Really, really hurting. That one hurt. Thank God.
Okay. Beautiful. Two. Pretty tight. Sit up tall. Okay, that feels a lot better.
Does it?
Yeah. That's soft.
Ooh. That was good. That was a good workout. Thank you, Annie.
You're welcome. Oh, nice. No muscle knot.
Feels better?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Dry needle Pilates is done. That concludes our vlog for today. Take care of yourself, people. It's important.